setting up.
Yep,
I don't know.
that's good. That's good. Hey, I am Wendy Lane-Borland. I am with the Wendy Home Group at Skyline Properties. I am sitting here with Joe Hoffman. He is a loan officer and branch manager at Mortgage One Northwest. So, hey, we're going to talk about FHA loans. You want to talk about FHA?
Yes.
Okay.
Definitely.
So maybe I was thinking about 3 things to know, but maybe we'll talk about 4 things to know. But first off, let's just go over 4 things to know about FHA loans. Yep. First off, I guess maybe you could tell us a little bit what is an FHA loan?
Yep. So Federal Housing Administration. It is probably one of the most versatile loans. They do allow one of the lowest credit scores out of most loan types. We will actually go down to 500 on an FHA loan, 500 FICO. And they require very minimal down and allow for down payment assistance as well for people without a down. So that's a huge benefit for an FHA loan. I would say most people will qualify FHA versus other loan types. They also have one of the least strict income requirements. Okay. So they allow higher debt to income ratios. Okay.
We're digging down deep.
Yeah. I forget, was that 3 or 4 things?
I don't know. That was probably 3. We did talk about down payment assistance. We talked about low down payment and a low credit score. But with that low credit score, you need to have positive credit history.
Typically, yes.
Yeah, not necessarily, I have this low credit score and everything's
not
outstanding.
Not everybody's going to qualify, but I would say no matter what the credit score is, not everybody's going to qualify.
Yeah, for sure.
It really heavily depends on what's on that report.
Yeah, okay. Devil's in the details, huh?
Yep.
In that scenario. Okay. I think one thing that is super exciting, which would probably be the 4th item, little bullet point here that we'd be talking about, and I don't know if this change has already happened, but the mortgage insurance is changing with FHA loans.
That's actually a huge benefit. Okay. So mortgage insurance is a part of your monthly payment that FHA does require to be there. It protects them in the event of a default on the mortgage. But that used to be 0.85, which is how much of your loan amount they're going to charge you per month to do the loan. They just reduced that to 0.55 for anything with less than 10% down, which is a huge benefit. This can save people $50 to $200, sometimes more per month.
Yeah, wow.
Which means you would qualify for more house and or have a lesser payment.
Yeah, wow.
Yep, it's a huge benefit.
That's super important when interest rates are where it is and people are already kind of squeezed on what they're paying per month. Okay, cool. Well, that was just kind of a quick down and dirty on FHA loan types. Anything else maybe you want to throw on there real quick that we haven't hit on the spot? Think of something. That's not fair.
Yeah.
That's not fair. Okay. Well, what you do know is how people can get in touch with you if they want to know more about if they qualify, they're want to take out a loan, not necessarily wanting to go down to one of these retail big banks or something. They want to get a little bit more personal and a little bit more options. They can reach out to someone like you, a mortgage broker, and start that process. How do they get in contact with you?
Yeah, I will answer my phone anytime. You can reach me at 360-878-7080. Nights and weekends are fine.
Awesome. Thanks, Joe.
Thanks, Wendy.